This tune is called Crystal, and it's a really loose and open thing. It's just basically a chord sequence. It's a very mellow piece. It's not really anything to learn. We can just do it in the rehearsal. And so on.